Welcome back to the channel as we explore the powerful AIRROBO P20 robot vacuum cleaner today. This device features 2800 PA suction to easily lift pet hair and dirt from floors. Its slim 3-inch profile allows it to glide under low furniture for a complete home clean. Unique scraper technology ensures that fine dust is pulled from deep within your tile gaps and carpets. Advanced gyroscope navigation creates an efficient zigzag path to cover every corner of your living space. You can manage cleaning schedules and suction levels through the simple app or the included remote control. The long-lasting battery provides 2 hours of runtime before the vacuum automatically returns to its dock. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.